just hope that they is seeking, cause I'm speaking what they leaking. Hold up, why you beastin'? Everybody knows I'm in these streets and I'm just preaching the word. Don't think it's absurd. Every time I'm leaking verbs with these metaphors, they say they heard what I'm saying. But get off the herb is what I'm playing. And y'all boys know if you're on that path, don't run astray. And hold up, and now I'm praying. I look up, and now I'm praying. I look up, now I'm praying. I look up, we get cooked up, you hooked up, and know what, just look up. I keep my faith in the Lord, that's my preserver. Every time I do this, I'm spitting stuff you ain't heard of. And if you haven't, better go and get that Bible, cause the world is just a rival, so I'm waving like title. Nah, drop the beat when we do this freestyling. We be wildin' in the flow like the islands. I'm surrounded with the flow like the islands. Everybody knows I'm off the top, I be wildin'. It's just for the glory of God, not a story for side. So I just get it and rob the street and the world of the things that they preach about them jewels. If you ain't living for Christ, you probably living cruel. Don't be a fool, so I'm just acting cool. And I pick up a tool and I keep me a jewel. I'ma spit till I can't breathe no more. And when I'm done breathing, I hope I hit the floor and go to God. Heaven, hold up like 7. When you up there, everybody says reverence is something that you need, is just justice. So I must spit. Everybody wanna come quick. Like,
Ooh, TYP.
Yeah,
Street of New Orleans.
On Bourbon Street Ministry, whatever, in the street, New Orleans, doing what we do. Shout out to my boy. What's your name, man?
Jay.
Jay, the baddest wooden flute player I ever met in my life, dude.
Praise
Amen,
God,
praise
man.
God. Yeah.